Today, I'll show you how to change your LinkedIn profile to reflect your status as a student. Whether you're starting a new academic journey or simply want to highlight your educational endeavors, updating your LinkedIn profile to showcase your student status is a great way to connect with peers, educators, and potential employers. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to sign in to your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. This is your portal to a professional community, so having the right profile can make a big difference. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click it. This will open a drop down menu with various options related to your account. From the drop down, you'll want to select View Profile. This takes you to your personal LinkedIn page where all your professional information is displayed. It's here that it will make the necessary changes to reflect your student status. Next, look for the pencil icon. This icon is associated with editing your profile's introduction section, and it's conveniently located near your profile picture and headline. Click it, and this will open a new window where you can modify your introductory details. In the edit window, you'll find a section labeled headline. This is where you'll make the change. Simply update your headline to student or something that indicates your current academic pursuit. This change helps others quickly understand your current focus when they visit your profile. While you're in the edit window, take this opportunity to add any educational information if you haven't already. This can include your school, program, expected graduation date, and any relevant coursework. Adding these details can enhance your profile by giving a fuller picture of your academic background and interests. Once you're satisfied with the changes, locate the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the edit window. Clicking Save will apply all your updates and ensure your profile reflects your current student status. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile now proudly displays your status as a student, opening up new opportunities for networking and professional growth. Don't forget to periodically update your profile with new achievements and experiences as you continue your academic journey. This way, your profile remains a dynamic representation of your personal and professional development. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on navigating LinkedIn and other professional platforms.